Hi everyone, this is section 5.5. This is example 2. So we're going to work with factoring 3x plus 42 using the GCF. So the first thing you're going to do is write 3x plus 42. And then we're going to find our GCF of 3 and 42. So 3 is actually prime. So you can't do a factor tree because it's already prime. So the prime factorization of 3 is just 3. Then when you have 42, it's 6 and 7. So for 42, it's 2 times 3 times 7, which your GCF is 3. So a little tip is that when you have a prime number with a composite number, your prime factorization, your GCF, is going to be the prime number that you're working with. And this is only when you're dealing with distributive property. All right, so when you're finding this, you know that they're going to go into each other, but 3 is going to be your GCF. Okay, so it's your prime number. So this is what we're factoring out. All right, so that means we're going to take our 3, our GCF, and 3 times x equals 3x plus, take your GCF again, 3 times 14 is 42. And then we're going to now take our highlighter. Where's my highlighter? There it is. And we're going to highlight our GCF. So our GCFs are 3. And this is going to help us place everything. So our GCF is always the number outside the parentheses. And then we're going to lay out our distributive property. So there's our plus because we're dealing with plus. If you look at the problem, there's your plus sign. There's your plus sign. So now anything that's not highlighted is what we're going to bring down. So the x and the 14. And that's your answer. So 3 times, let's use my little. So 3 times x is 3x. And then 3 times 14 is 42. So we are good. So now let's do example 2, problem B. So 63z minus 27y. So we have to find the greatest common factor of 63 and 27. So it's going to be 9 and 3. Oh, nope, I did that wrong. No, that's right. Oops. 9 times 7. What was I doing? What was I doing? Oh, it's a highlighter. Okay. So 9 times 7 is 63. There we go. And then 27, 9, 18, 27, 9 times 3. That's what I was looking for. All right. So 9 is 3 times 3 and bring down 3. All right. So 63 is 3 times 3 times 7. And 27 is 3 times 3 times 3. So we're going to circle our pairs. And now GCF is 3 times 3, which is 9. And that's what we're going to be factoring out. So this is what you have to remember. We're just working with our composite numbers here. We can't forget our z and our y. So we're going to use our GCF, which is 9. And 9 times 7 is 63, but 9 times 7z is 63z. And then we're going to do it again. 9 times 3 is 27, but 9 times 3y is 27y. All right, so now we're going to highlight, and we want to highlight our GCF. And we're going to factor it out. So our 9 is going to be on the outside of the parentheses. And then inside is anything that's not highlighted. So 7z and 3y. So if we tested it out, 9 times 7z is 63z, and then 9 times 3y is 27y. And that is your answer.